Come on.
No chance.
There is nothing better than shooting people in the head.
Nice.
God, I wish I could do this at work.
What? Play PlayStation 3?
No, shoot people in the head.
Oh, no.
I need another beer. You want one? I need another beer. Hey Tom, come and check this out.
What?
There's something weird in the fridge.
What?
There's some kind of thingy hole.
What? A thingy hole in my fridge?
Yeah, come and check it out.
What kind of a hole?
It's like a wormhole.
Worm? What, like an earthworm hole? Oh, Rich, bring me my beer.
The beers are gone, man.
What do you mean the beers have gone?
I think they must have fallen into the hole.
Are you pissed, mate?
No, there's a Doctor Who style wormhole in your fridge. You know, a science fiction-y style wormhole. You know what that guy in the wheelchair goes on about?
What the hell have you done to my fridge?
It feels like I'm falling in. Like it's pulling me into it. Cool.
Where in God's name did you get that?
The internet?
What for?
In case I get steamed on the tube.
Dream on. Did you seriously buy that on the internet?
Yeah, it's a replica. My dad converted it for me.
You're a psycho. Give it to me.
I think you hit something.
Well, how do you know it was my bullet? Could have very well been yours. And anyway, whatever we hit clearly wasn't human. I mean, we probably stopped an alien invasion or something.
What are we gonna do now? Stop being gay.
Don't flatter yourself. Look, I was just thinking, you're smaller than me. You could fit through that hole.
I'm not going into it.
Come on, Rich. This could be the most exciting thing that anyone on Earth has ever done. I mean, you could see an alien or something.
Look, if one of us has to go into it, it should be you.
If one of us were to go into there, we'd almost certainly be killed. You should go.
You heard the noise. There's something on the other side, and I think you injured it. You should go through and finish it off. You can use my gun.
I am not going into that thing.
Alright then. We'll do a test to see if it's safe.
Well, what do you suggest we do?
We can put something in and see if it comes out alive.
Like what?
What about Mindy?
Not Mindy.
It's probably safe.
Probably how? Look, how would we even get her back?
Put some rope around her and pull her back up.
You don't own a cat, do you, Rich? Let's just think of something that neither of us are emotionally attached to.
What? Like a wild animal?
Well, that would be better, yes.
Alright. A badger.
Okay, Richard, go out and find me a badger.
Alright then, a fox. There's got to be many foxes around.
Well, how do you suggest we catch a fox?
We'll lure it to the back door with some food, and then I'll shoot it in the head.
Oh, brilliant. Well, that'll help us drop it into the hole, but seeing as it'll be dead, it won't prove a very successful test, will it?
I could just maim it.
Think of something you've actually seen in your whole life, Rich.
A mouse.
This is not your house.
A rat. A hedgehog.
Getting warmer.
A frog. We'll tie a bit of string around it
Yeah.
and let it jump through the hole. You got a torch?
Yeah, just in a drawer there. I'll get the keys for the back door. So do you still think it's a good idea to put it in, Rich?
It's either the snail or Mindy.
Sorry, buddy.
I'll cover us in case something comes out.
I think it's gonna blow!
It's doing something magnetic! It's pulling the gun in! I can't believe I lost my gun.
Jesus, mate, I thought we were goners.
I don't know how I'm ever going to be able to get over this.
PlayStation?
Okay. Actually, have you got any more bits?
I should put it. It's right. So do you think?
Yeah. Right. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, I forgot my fucking bed. I could be in Rich.
I could just see heads bobbing up and down.
Sorry. Can we open the fridge up for me? Tom?
Yeah? Rich! Mate! Are you alright? Rich, speak to me! Rich! Wake up! Oh, man.
Bulletproof jacket, internet,